10 minutes, high-protein kimchi mackerel, no oil. Cut the mackerel into large chunks. Let's make the sauce. Gochujang, black pepper, 150 ml water, a splash of soy sauce. Mix well. Heat a pan over medium. No oil. Place the fish skin side down. Let it cook on its own fat. Flip once it sets. Cook both sides until lightly charred. Add the kimchi. Pour in the sauce. Add a little sugar. Cover. Simmer for 3 minutes. Uncover. Top with green onions. Cook 30 seconds. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.